For the longest time, if you had an idea for a digital business, well, making it real was incredibly difficult, right? It meant you had to spend years learning how to code, or you had to raise a fortune to hire a team of engineers. But now, a new wave of AI is completely flipping the script, making it possible to build not just a website, but a real functional piece of software with just a single sentence.
Okay, so take a look at this number on the screen. That is what a surprisingly simple web app is pulling in every single month. And we're not talking about some massive tech company here. This is just a tool that does one thing, does it really well, and it's raking in almost 6 figures a year.
All right, so the big question is how? How is that even possible? Especially for someone who has absolutely no idea how to code or build a website. I mean, how do you get from zero technical skill to a working money-making app? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're going to dive into.
So, that app we're talking about, it's called StageTimer.io. It's basically a remote control countdown timer for people giving presentations. And it's a brilliant idea, for sure. But, for most of us, an idea is where it would stop. We'd hit that wall. You know the one I'm talking about. The one made of crazy complexity, time and money that comes with building software the old-fashioned way.
And this is where everything changes. The old way, man, that was a grind. You'd have to learn a bunch of programming languages, spend thousands of hours actually building the thing. But the new way, powered by this AI tool called MGX, it just boils all of that complexity down to writing one single, clear instruction.
Yeah, and this quote just nails the whole concept. When you give this AI a prompt, you're not just, getting a chunk of code back. It's like you're hiring an entire team of AI employees on the spot. We're talking engineers, designers, project managers, all of them ready to start building your idea for you instantly.
So let's just be super clear about what MGX is. It's an AI platform that takes a simple text description of an app you want, and then it does the whole shebang. It codes it, designs it, and deploys it, all in real time. It really is the engine that's turning simple sentences into actual software.
Okay, that's enough theory. Let's actually see how this thing works. Honestly, the best way to really get a feel for how powerful this is to see a prompt turn into a real product. So we're going to look at 2 examples right now. The process itself is, it's almost ridiculously simple. First, you find an app or an idea that you like. Then you just describe what it does in a single prompt. You feed that to the AI, and then literally in minutes, you can publish a working app. That's really it.
All right, first up, let's go back to that $8,000 a month app. The goal here was to straight up recreate StageTimer. And I don't mean just make something that looks like it. I mean a fully functional clone with all the important features. And get this is the actual prompt they used. It's just plain English, no code, nothing fancy. It just says what the app needs to do. Show a timer here, control it from over there, and be able to send messages. And from that one little instruction, the AI built the entire complex 2-screen app. It's wild. Okay, so cloning an app is one thing, that's cool, but what about building something brand new, from scratch? That's what this next example is all about. It shows you can go from just a random original idea to a live tool. This proves the AI isn't just a copycat, it's more like a creative partner. And once again, look at how straightforward these instructions are. The prompt just lays out the basic features for a YouTube idea generator. But what's really amazing is what happened next. The AI didn't just translate the words, it actually figured out the user's intent. It even assigned roles to its virtual team. Like, it literally said, Alex the engineer is on it and started coding. Just incredible. And here's what it spit out. This isn't some clunky prototype. It's a clean, polished, fully working app that went from a simple idea to a link you can share in minutes. This really proves that the game has changed. The most important skill here wasn't coding. It was having the creative vision to write that first prompt. Okay, so right now you're probably thinking the only thing to do here is to build an app and try to sell it. And hey, you can totally do that. But I think a lot of people are missing the real opportunity here. The real game changer is something else entirely.
So this slide really breaks down that bigger picture for us. Look, direct sales, selling the app, that's the obvious path, right? But the real superpowers, especially for creators or coaches or marketers, are those other two, adding value and creating a lead magnet.
So think about it like this. This is the key. Let's say you run an online course.
You can now build custom tools just for your members, which makes their subscription way more valuable. Or, and this is huge, you could build a really useful little app and just give it away for free, in exchange for an email address. That's an incredibly powerful way to build your audience.
And really, that's the bottom line here. This isn't just about making it a little easier to build an app. This is a massive economic shift. For the very first time, that huge technical wall between having an idea and having a finished product, it's just gone. It's been shattered. And that totally changes what skills matter. It's not about complex coding anymore. It's about creativity and thinking strategically.
So, all of this leaves us with one last, pretty fascinating question. For decades, the power to build our digital world belonged to a small group of people who could speak the language of code. But now that the only language you really need is your own, what are you going to build?